Welcome, students. This is an introduction to the GIMP, also known as the GNU Image Manipulation Program. When you first begin, it's an empty canvas. There's no canvas there, so you need to create something. What you can do right off the bat is you could say File New, and you can create a new one. Or if you've already copied something from the clipboard, like an image off of Google or another web page, you can do that. You can also take screenshots, and it'll pop you up a little pop-up window to ask you how to do that. So for right now, I'm just going to click New, and you can see it gives you a random size. Your size might be different than mine, and I can just click OK, and it gives me a blank screen. In this case, it chooses the background color. Mine happens to be red. If yours might be black or white, it could be anything. And then what I can do is I can use this tool here to select the whole thing. So I just drag a box around everything, and then you'll see the marching ants to say that this area has been selected. And I can choose any color I want just by clicking on the color. You see it pops up a little window. All I did was just click on that color. Maybe I want to choose white. I hit OK, and then there's a paint bucket here, and I can paint all of that white. It might not have, you'll notice that when you choose the paint bucket, the choices down here change. So for instance, you could choose to use the foreground color to fill, you could choose the background color to fill, or you can even use a pattern. And if you choose a pattern, then you get the patterns window, and you can choose all kinds of different patterns. You can fill the whole selection, or you can just fill similar colors. That might be selected differently for you. So for instance, if I could do a pattern fill, I still have the marching ants, so the area is still selected. So if I just go ahead and click paint, there's the pattern filled. And then if I decide that was a bad idea, I can always undo. So you can do edit undo there, or you can see here that it says Control Z. So I prefer to do Control Z. So using my keyboard, hold down Control, press Z one time. It takes me back to white. If I do Control Z a second time, it takes me back to red. Oh, I didn't want that. I want to go back to white. And so if you want to redo, if you go to edit, you see redo to fill. And that's Control Y. So Control Z is undo and Control Y is redo. So I can use Control Y. I get back to my white, and now I can say use the paintbrush. I can flip the colors to the red color. I have different brushes I can choose here. So I could use the star, or I could use circles, or I could use funny other things. And then I can just kind of draw whatever kind of patterns I want. So this is a really, really quick way to get into GIMP. And just be drawing. This is obviously way too simple for us. We're going to have much more complicated videos in the future, but this was just a very, very fast introduction.